Hello everyone. There is something important I want to remind you. Before you start assembly, please test the components. And if any questions, please contact us. We're willing to help. This is a 3D printer we picked from our warehouse randomly. Now, let's begin the test. First, pick out the hotbed, screen, power line, mainboard, fan, power supply, 4 motors, and 1 extruder. Then, put other things aside. Next, open each component. Be careful for it, because they are fragile. Look the voltage on the power supply. We defaulted to 220 voltage. If your local voltage is 110 voltage, please select the black button to change. Link the power line with power supply. Electrify it. Use voltmeter to test the output voltage. It should be 12 voltage. Then, pull the plug. Now, connect 4 motors, extruder, fan, hotbed, screen, and 3 limit switch to the main board. You can refer to the assembly paper to finish this step. Connect the red and black line to the power supply. Please check that the red one link V and the black one link COM. Then, electrify to test. Click mid button, enter position. Choose X position fast. Adjust randomly. You will see X motor runs as you operate. And once you press the X limit switch, it stops. Then, do the same thing to Y and Z. From the operation, we can find out whether the motor and the limit switch are good. Then, back to menu and enter extruder position. Adjust randomly. You will see the wheel on the extruder running as you operate. Then, back to menu and enter fan speed. Add up the fan speed. You will see this light shining constantly and the fan goes faster. You can feel the change of wind like medium. Then, back to menu and enter Quick Settings. Select Preheat PLA and you will see 4 lights on which I point out. It means they work normal. And you will see the temperature rising on the screen. When they finish heating, the light goes out. If components work normal, the left light will shine twice and the right light will shine once. If you click the Reset button on the main board, the 2 lights will shine once, which means it restarts.